Importer number is very important when you are importing any shipment. Most of the time shipping line can ask you about the importer number, how you can get it. Let's check it out.
First thing first, log into your Fasah account, go to the main menu home page and click on the queries. After that, there is one inquiry of customs number. Here it will ask you for the port name. You have to enter whichever port. Let's suppose in my case I am entering the MAM seaport, King Abdulaziz seaport. For Jeddah, you can any port you can select your seaport name or airport name as well. King Abdulaziz seaport name is King Abdulaziz Port Customs, this one. So I'll click on it and then I'll click on inquiry. This importer number, most of the time the shipping lines ask you, and most of the time at the time of clearance they ask you in Saudi Arabia what is the importer number, so you can give it this number to your shipping agents or clearing agents.
I hope this video is very informative. If you need any other support, you can contact me anytime. Most welcome. We are doing custom clearance, freight forwarding, logistics services. If you need any type of support, we are here for you. Thank you.